All right, now we're going to do a non-skid additive. It's going to use the 1500 and the AD5-050. We already pre-mixed our product and we're just going to make an application based on how many square feet. Now before you actually apply the product, you've already cleaned the floor, but there's two steps that we always recommend. The first one is to get any loose particles off the floor. Grab a battery operated blower and that cleans all the dust and hairs and particles off of it. The other thing is we always ask you to clean with alcohol and wipe the floor with alcohol. These little mops are perfect for exactly what we're doing. Again, this is going to take any of the fingerprints, footsteps, leftover dirt, and there we go. One of the other things is I've got my booties on, I've got my gloves on, I have a rag in my pocket because you will spill it and you need to get it up as soon as possible if you spill it. All right, let's do the application. It is applied with a 9-inch microfiber roller, 3/8 inch snap, and if you do this, you pull the excess fuzz off of the roller so it doesn't get into the formulation. Here is our product. We're going to stir it again one last time to make sure that all the non-skid additive gets back into suspension. Also to make sure, same thing as shaking the bottle, that you're getting the catalyst mixed in there. Pour it into the paint pan. And here we go. The first thing you want to do is you want to saturate your roller. Make sure that you've got it fully wetted out. And you've got the non-skid particles embedded in it. And take some of the excess out. You don't want it just flowing out of the roller. And we just apply. And this is probably the simplest application you've got. You just roll it out. Let the roller do the work. Do not press on it. Just squirt product out the side. Nice smooth strokes, and you'll see I've left some areas that I need to go back over, but we're going to lightly roll it back. And I can already see the non-skid particles on the surface. The last thing you do is you pull it. No weight on the roller, pull it straight back to you. This evens out all the strokes and it's a uniform finish, and you do this all the way out of the air. And that's it. You're done.